Need to resolve playback error on Netflix app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily resolve this issue. So the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to your application Netflix. Once you're inside the app, close the application and then reopen it. After that, move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. In the space, search for the application Netflix. Once found, click on it. Click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Once done, now you need to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If not, you can also try using cellular data. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.